Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I have been so excited about making this video for you. I have changed one technique in my reselling business that is allowing me to sell off all of my old, stale inventory that has been sitting around forever without selling, and this past week or so it's been selling for me like hotcakes. So I want to tell you all about exactly what I'm doing. It's simple and easy and it's not expensive, and I really hope it works for you the way it's worked for me. If you happen to be new here, hi, I'm Quenby, and this is a channel all about reselling online. I'm a part-time reseller. I've been selling for 8 years on eBay and 2 years on Poshmark, and this channel is all about my experiences of reselling, whether it be going to yard sales and buying clothes to sell on eBay, or opening mystery boxes. All that great reselling content is here, so I would love to have you subscribe and join our community here on the channel. Let's get right into this. I'm too excited. I'm filming this in May 2020, during stay-at-home quarantine time. This extra time at home has really allowed me to focus more on my reselling business. So here's the first thing I did. I went into my eBay store that I've had for 8 years, and I took a look at my store and all my listings. And I was looking at some of my older listings, and I'm embarrassed to tell you guys, but just to be transparent, I have got items of clothing that I've had listed on there for 2 years probably that haven't sold. They might have 300 views. I might have even sent offers to watchers recently. They've never sold. They are like stale. That's what I'd call stale. Some of the stuff's been 6 months, some of it's been a year, but there's stuff that's been on there for like 2 years. So I'm looking with a very critical eye at my eBay store and Poshmark closet. That's what I would recommend you do first. If I'm gonna put this like into steps, I didn't plan it out that way, but maybe I'll try. Look at your eBay store or Poshmark closet. See what's been sitting there for a long time. So I'm looking at these items and I'm like, you know what? These are not even bad items. They're decent name brands, they're great styles. Why hasn't this item sold? There's a lot of reasons why your item maybe didn't sell, and that's one of the things you need to look at. Is your price way too high? Did you put it in the wrong category? Is the title not great? Do your pictures suck? I'm just gonna say it. Do your pictures suck? Sometimes in my case, the pictures sucked. So I'm looking at these items that have sat there for so long. They're not bad items. They just have not sold. They've gone old and stale. You know, sometimes when it happens, it's because I've sent out a bunch of, people have sent me offers and they've been lowballs, so I decline them. Maybe I decline a few offers. It's my theory that if you decline a few offers, eBay does not keep putting your item up at the beginning of search results. It becomes old and stale and way down there at the bottom of search results, and it doesn't sell. So I've been looking at these items. Why haven't they sold? I have been using a new software called Vendoo. I have a 25% off code in my description. So I'm going to show you in a little bit in this video, me on the screen actually using Vendoo to delete my old listing completely on eBay, do a little editing if I choose, and then relisting it as a brand new listing. The results have been so crazy. That's why I'm so excited and want to share it with you guys, because I'm shocked by everything that's selling. So why don't I take you to my computer and show you how easy this is to go on and import your old stale listings, take a look at them, edit them if they need that, or don't even edit them, delete them off of eBay, completely delete, then relist it. And so many things have been selling for me since I've been doing this that are old, that should have sold forever ago. I highly recommend it. It's awesome. Let's go on my computer. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it. I'm doing it using Vendoo, but you guys, I'm sure you can use another cross-listing software, or you can do it manually. Just delete it yourself, save your pictures. It's going to take a lot more time, but you can totally do it. And in my opinion, my experience is showing me it is worth it. So let's go to my computer and I'll meet you here after. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you. I hope you can see this well enough. So I'm on Vendoo, and what I've done is import in my old eBay listings. The way I did that was went to New Item, Import Listings from eBay. And the listings will come up here, and what I did was went through the items that have been on here for a very long time and not sold. and I just checked the boxes and I imported them in. Now here they are in my inventory. And it's like some of these items are great items. This is a new with tag, splendid leopard animal print top, really in style right now. A new with tag Lucky brand top. A Daletta Anthropologie dress, super cute, strapless, and it's a size large. So these are not items that I think nobody wants. They're attractive, good items. And so what I am doing is going into some of these items and I am deleting them from eBay and relisting them on eBay and also relisting them on Poshmark. So I'll take you through exactly how I'm doing this. Here's an Athleta dress, size small, cute dress. It's been on here for over a year. It hasn't sold. It's had many views. So I'm going to go to eBay where it's listed. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go to delist on eBay. Yes, I want to delete it and end it completely on eBay. So now it's letting me know, yes, Quimby, you have completely deleted this item. Now I'm going to go in. This is optional, but I'm going to go in and like spruce up some of my pictures, just lighten them up. Maybe your pictures are perfect and you don't even need to do this step, but I'm going to do a minute or two of editing some of these pictures, just brightening them up.
You must subscribe to Grateful Queen.
Okay, so I spruced up some of my pictures. I'm just going to double check my title. It looks fine. My description's imported. I do have to go in here and put the brand in again for some reason. The color, and it's already categorized. This is a size small. It's a, what kind of dress is this? Is it a tank dress? Yeah, it's kind of a tank dress, has like a flounce, pretty cute. I'm just filling things out really quick. I do the show optional fields, short, casual, sleeve length, it's sleeveless. I do eBay first because eBay asks for way more information. I mean, Poshmark is so easy. So I just continue filling out. My shipping is already default, my payment policy, my return, everything comes in automatically. It does want me to put my zip code in. Then I'm going to double check my price, 35 bucks with the best offer. That looks good. So I'm going to relist it on eBay. Again, this is an old item that was listed that I completely delisted, did a little bit of editing on. It's going to list it for me again on eBay, so it shows up as a brand new item. Then I'm going to go over here. Why not add it to Poshmark while I'm here? I can use the same pictures. I have to change some things because Poshmark only lets you have a little bit of a title. Everything's already imported for me, but I just have to fill in for Poshmark a few of these fields. It tends to put it under wedding dress. I have no idea why. This is a petite, size small. The original price, I don't know, probably like 90 bucks. I'm going to put it on Posh for 30 to have room for offers. List on Posh. It is so quick. It's surprisingly so quick. I just could not love this more. And ta-da, it's listed. You can view your listing. Here it is on Posh. Now I just want to go over to my eBay account and show you guys the stuff that has been selling, because it's like, to me, it's like a miracle. Here's some of my sales. It's like, okay, this has been listed for a year. It just sold because I deleted and relisted it. This shirt has been listed for at least 6 or 8 months. These pants over a year, these Sundance catalog, I knew they were a cute item. I knew they were a great size. They were a size 16. I just sold them for $45, you guys. And they've been sitting there forever. All I did was what I just showed you. I lightened up the pictures and I just deleted it and relisted it. They just sold. So I am having so much success with this. If we go over to my Poshmark, my sales, it's the same thing. That's why I'm so excited to share this with you. These Lafayette 148 pants just sold for $25. I just listed them yesterday using this method. Same thing with the new with tag Eileen Fisher. That was an item that I had listed for at least 6 months, if not more. I have an old TJ Maxx yellow tag sale clearance video. I deleted it. I relisted it. It sold immediately. Same with this new with tag Fabletics top, just sold. I got that on Retail Arbitrage a long time ago. So this is really working for me. I'm using Vendoo. You can use whatever you want, but I hope that this helps you because I'm really having success with it since I started it a few weeks ago, and I want you guys to benefit too. So what do you think? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. This is what I'm doing in my business right now. Rather than listing all the inventory that I have waiting for me that I got from free donations or I got from ThredUp, I'm focusing on getting listings sold that I've had sitting around, because why not? You've already bought the item, you've already taken the pictures, taken the time to list it. Get those old items sold before putting a ton more energy into listing new items. Now, is it important to be listing new items? Sure, especially if there's season, like it's a current season, you want to get all your bathing suits up, sure, or a certain trend that you're noticing and you have those items, great. Get up new items, that's great, but definitely put a little energy into getting those old items that you've already invested in sold. It's really working for me. I hope it's something that can work for you, and I would love to hear how it goes for you, whether you decide to use Vendoo, list perfectly, doing it manually. I think it'll be more time consuming, but it's totally doable. And I think I'll put some pictures up here, you guys, of things that have sold that have been sitting around forever and they're just like selling, and there's nothing else I'm doing differently, you guys, other than deleting them and relisting them. It's miraculous. It's working great. I'm super excited about it. I hope it works for you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah, hello. You right there. You gotta punch that subscribe button like this. Boom. Like, no, don't punch it like that. Punch it like this. Boom. Yeah, you gotta. And don't forget to like and turn on the notifications like you need to. Yeah. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. And yeah.